Hi guys, today I'm going to make this cute flower for home decor. So, if you wish, you can join me. This flower is made of circles. The easiest way to cut so many circles is to fold the paper accordion style and cut out many circles at once. Now let's start to fold our modules. For the center of this flower, you will need 8 circles, but you can also use 9 or 10 pieces. The process is time-consuming, so you can fold a few circles at once. Now we need to fold 16 white circles. To each yellow module, we will adhere 2 white modules. So, if you decided to make 10 yellow modules to make your flower more full, now you need to fold 20 white modules. And for the petals, we need to fold the circles in half. Make 32 petals. Each white module will contain 2 light yellow petals. Now it's time to assemble our flower. Leave a tiny gap over here. Make sure all the modules are in one line. Always check they are in one line. If you wish to make an open flower, the geometry of your petals should be like this. And for the bud, you need to glue the circles like this. Thanks for watching! If you like my videos, subscribe and see you soon!